How to use watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative. Watermelon is often touted as a natural Viagra alternative due to the presence of an amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline is converted by the body into arginine, which is known to have a positive effect on blood flow and may help with erectile dysfunction. While watermelon may have some potential benefits, it's important to note that its effects may not be as potent as prescription medications like Viagra. Here are a few suggestions on how to incorporate watermelon into your routine. 1. Choose ripe watermelon. Select a ripe watermelon with a deep red flesh, as it is believed to have higher citrulline content. 2. Eat it regularly. Incorporate watermelon into your diet on a regular basis to potentially experience any benefits. Simply cut the watermelon into slices or cubes and enjoy it as a refreshing snack. 3. Make a watermelon smoothie. Blend chunks of watermelon with other fruits or vegetables to create a tasty and nutritious smoothie. You can add ingredients like strawberries, bananas, or spinach to enhance the flavor and nutritional value. 4. Try a watermelon salad. Combine diced watermelon with other fruits, such as blueberries or pineapple, and add some mint leaves or a drizzle of lime juice for a refreshing and healthy salad. 5. Experiment with watermelon juice. Extract the juice from watermelon and consume it as a standalone beverage or mix it with other juices. Keep in mind that juicing removes some of the fiber content, so eating whole watermelon is generally a healthier option. Remember that the effects of watermelon may vary from person to person, and it's not guaranteed to have the same immediate and potent effects as pharmaceutical medications. If you are experiencing persistent erectile dysfunction, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment options.